real treat, man. Listen, tell me again, what it is, man.
NorthernCaliGoneWild.
Come on, nigga, kids, nigga, I'm still in the right now.
Y'all did that.
Hey, and it's not
Fucking with him,
man.
you fucking with me.
Come
Oh,
on.
we been doing it.
Listen, man. Hey, look, run there, man. We get him, man. Hey, look, get him right here, bro.
All in, bro. Sacramento,
man. Sacramento?
All in.
What part of Sac are y'all from, bro?
All over Southport.
Say less, man. Listen, man. We know about the, listen, man. We know about the full road, man. We know about the north side, man. We know about the heights. We love Sacramento, man. You know what I understand me? Y'all are motherfucking cousins, man. And we respect and love y'all. Love to see y'all niggas here, man. And I hope y'all knock a bitch to man. You know what I'm saying?
Trust and believe we doing that.
We in the land, man.
Love, man. Appreciate you, brother, man. For real, bro. Appreciate y'all, brother. Y'all know, man. We working, man. We working, man. Cali going wild. Wow. Listen, man. We got the, hey, look. The treat, man. Break the bread, boys, man. You understand me?
All day, every day,
You
baby.
boys been around for a long time, man. Everybody in the game respect you boys. Where that come from, bud?
Check this out. Breaking bread ain't just an MC, it's a family first. Yes, we've been fucking with each other since we've been in junior high school. It's a family. Anybody that's in Breaking Bread gotta be part of a family that knows the family. So we bring family first, community, and love to everybody. But Breaking Bread been here 17 years. Our 17th annual is coming up. You know what I mean? So I want y'all to come on out, but it's been a treat. Everybody can't be Breaking Bread. It's in your blood. You know what I mean? You gotta be somebody we know. And you gotta be on the ground though. You gotta have something on. You gotta have a top of tour. You feel me? You gotta be with this MC shit. You feel me?
So I'm from the town. So I know about this shit. How Pooney doing? Because I know Pooney's one of the, you know what I mean?
I'm gonna tell you something about Pooney. Pooney is an entrepreneur. Pooney got a lot of businesses going on right now. So he gives a little bit of his love to everybody, but his number one love is always gonna be Breaking Bread, because we wouldn't be Breaking Bread if it wasn't because of Cousin Boom. You know, Boom set this standard down. Muddy Water, AP, you understand me? Money. They all set the standards for what we're doing right now. It started off as a dope group and ended up as a motherfucking MC. You understand me? But it's been businesses. You got Foodie Entertainment. You understand me? You got executive. He driving buses and limos and stretch everything. He got everything going on. He making flyers and everything. I'm telling y'all, if it wasn't Cousin Boom, it wouldn't be none of this here.
Hey, you a real nigga, man.
I wouldn't have this on my back.
Hey, man, listen.
Rest in peace, Muddy Water.
Come on, boy, give it
Rest
up.
in peace, money.
Come on.
Rest in peace to all my loved ones. Breaking bread for life, baby.
Come on.
It ain't on me, it's in me, baby. Yes, yes, me.
Yeah. Appreciate that energy, bud. Thank you, black man. Appreciate
Hey,
you.
tap in with my little one, man. Hey, he be on the trenches with the real ones, though. He get the real inside on stage. You understand me? He in here. So he speaks for us.
Come on, man.
Our outlet is through him.
Thank you, black man.
Man.
That's you, man. Listen, salute to you, man.
Thank you, my brother.
I know you're going to keep doing what you do, man.
Always,
Riding and
man.
knocking and doing, take care of the
Hey,
kids.
D-Folks VP, breaking bread all day, every day. You understand me? It's Emmy, not on me. Hello.
You schooled us, man. That was a treat, man. Thank you, man. For real. It's always a treat when players meet. Enough said, man. Appreciate you, blood. One love to Foodie. Foodie, we love you, man.
Boom. Breaking bread all day, every day.
Breaking bread, man. So, come on, man. I'm going hard with you. Stop playing with me, man. Come on, man. I love sharing for the whole night. Hey, look. This nigga right. Hey, I know my nigga too, though. Hey, look. He been in the sack fucking around. I was in Sacramento County jail with you. You had all the old school, no. We got that guy. You had all the pictures coming in. I was a boy. I don't count me. When I was in Sacramento County jail, this nigga had all the pictures coming in. All the bitches. All the bitches. I didn't have any bitches, man. He telling you all the stories, man. This nigga. Stories was real. One of the niggas, man. I didn't made it, 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 man. No, you ain't Asian, man. You ain't Asian. Looking good, man. Looking good. That's my nigga G Nasty, man. For real, man. Come on, man. Pleasure's always mine. Hey, G, look. You on NorthernCaliGoneWild right now, man.
That's my guy right there. I know the cameraman, man. I done fucked around with him. He had a fish market or something.
You know that.
He done hustled too, man. He done sold me a plate of food or something, man.
Come
on, man. I support my brother, man. Salute to you, right? Salute to you in your own fish market, right? You know what I'm talking about? Red snapper, man. With money, man. Red snapper with pride, man. Hey, man, y'all keep it tight. Man, I'm the president, man. I ain't with it. I ain't with it. I'm running it, man.
Hey,
I ain't with it. I'm running it, man. You see, man? I'm president thing, man.
I just gotta say this, T. That breaking bread is really heritage, man. It's nothing but reputable. When you say the name, man, everybody know it, man. You know what I mean? So, salute to you, man. You know what I mean? And real talk, man. Y'all boys, man, keep that shit lit, man, which I know y'all will, you know what I mean? Love the food and all the shit, you know what I mean? Listen, man, breaking bread, man. Hey, man, that's real mob shit, man. You know what I'm talking about, man?
I was usually turn around like that, man.
Come on, that's money, nigga. You understand me? That's money. Nigga, that's enough said, nigga.
What's the name?
Northern Cali going wild. Wow. We working, man. Listen, we in the city, man. We got the little ones right here, man. They from San Diego, California, man. You understand me? And they putting on, man. Yeah, check out the little ones, man.
San Diego,
Come on, man. Yeah. Wow. Man, that's big, man. Wow. Come on. San Diego. What? Come on. Oh, wow.
I spotted something on my little sister.
This is viral. Listen, y'all gonna go viral too though. Hey, look, y'all got the green shoes doing. Look, you see this shit?
I like that song.
Look, they got the green shoes matching. Y'all doing something serious though, for real. For real. She the president. Where the president at? Who the president? Okay, she the president. Okay, yeah.
San Diego president.
Right there. Come on, we gotta get the president on there real quick.
San Diego
President, I got some questions for you real quick. You know what I mean? For real. Hey, look. Come on. Nah, look, you all good in the shit. Hey, look. Hey, this is the president, man. She gotta be right. You understand me?
Is your video on me putting my glasses on?
Man, look, we doing everything. President, y'all putting on and shit like that. So, y'all know in San Diego and shit, you know what I mean? We are.
Yeah, they know us.
Yeah.
All this diamonds.
How long y'all been pushing this shit, man?
2017.
Okay, so y'all got like 5 years in the game.
Our mother chapter has been around longer.
So y'all got like 5-6 years in the game.
7.
Oh, longer.
7.5.
Okay, man, you know what? We appreciate the energy. I ain't gonna get too close. My breath might smell like something. Drink it, I don't want you to smell that.
My mind smell like Hennessy.
Y'all putting on for the city. Y'all ain't gonna stop, man. I know y'all ain't gonna stop that shit. And we appreciate that shit. Next time y'all got some things going, we like to be there, you know what I mean? Y'all doing some real shit, y'all swagging and everything. And I love to see the women structure, you know what I mean? That unity, man, you understand me? And that's what we ain't got going on. I love what y'all doing. We just want to support that shit, man. Northern Cali Gone Wild.
Flawless diamonds! And holla at us at the end of January for our day party.
Listen, President, come on, give me some. Come on, get this real quick.
You gotta go like this,
Come
bro.
on, show me. Come on. How do I do it? Okay, so like this. So it's a 2.
Diamond.
Oh, the diamond.
You gotta do it with your other hand.
Okay. So what?
Let me hold your cast
Okay, yes. Okay. So I'll do it.
Turn it the other way. There you go.
Okay.
Me and you.
Me and you.
And hold them to the back.
Oh, okay.
So scream
okay,
out.
diamond.
Say flawless.
Oh, diamond. Oh, that's hard.
You holler.
I'll holler flawless. Okay, what you gonna holler?
Just wait. Just go
Okay.
ahead.
Come on. Flawless.
Diamond!
Woo! Love y'all, man. Listen, that shit hard, man.
Come on.